Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Lloyds Banking Group. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search field, search for lloydsbank.com. If you haven't registered for your Lloyds Bank, then you can just go to the register option here and tap on it. Then you can continue registering for your Lloyds Bank account. Once you have registered the account, then you can log into it by just going onto the login option that is on the top right corner of your screen. In here, you will be provided with two options, personal and business. So if you have your business account, go and tap on business, and if you have a personal account on Lloyds Bank, then tap on personal. Once you are directed to the welcome page of Lloyds Bank, you can log in with your credentials. In here, type in your user ID, and on the password box, you can type in the password you have once set while creating your Lloyds Bank account. Once you have entered your user ID and password, then you can go and tap on show if you want to check your password for the second time. If you want this site to remember your user ID and passcode, then you can just go and tap on the remember my user ID box. And once you are done entering your details, you can just go and tap and continue. Then you'll have successfully logged into your Lloyds Bank account. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.